Time for the check on our Friday forecast. TJ, very busy this morning. I also want to mention that I've been looking at our website, and minute by minute there seems to be another delay coming into our newsroom as far as schools are concerned and parking bans. So definitely check out WPRI.com throughout the morning as well.
And it really wouldn't surprise me, Patrick, if we see a couple of cancellations here and there as well, because the roads really are not great at all. There's large puddles on them. Temperatures are falling off a little bit, and we've got an additional amount of snow coming through today. Believe it or not, we have another round of snow on the way for tomorrow. In fact, this just in from the National Weather Service within the last half hour. Winter storm watch, not for today. This is for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. An additional plowable amount of snow possible. And we are looking at some snow coming on through the region right now. In fact, it's snowing in Providence. And you look, we've got some darker shades of blue here, indicating a moderate amount of snow. And the snow extends all the way back through Connecticut. So it's going to be snowing for a little while. And the temperatures certainly are cold enough in some areas that this could accumulate on some roadways. A lot of the roads are still kind of icy and slush covered, so it really won't take much for this to accumulate. So an additional coating to 2 inches is what I think for this morning. Most of Rhode Island, I've kind of pushed it a little bit further on off to the east across northern Bristol County, where it's a little bit colder in spots as well. So initial coating to 2 inches for this morning. It should be out of here by 9 o'clock, and then we'll actually have somewhat of a decent day. In fact, you can see the snow falling here in Providence. We had rain for a few hours. Now the cold air is sweeping through the upper levels of the atmosphere and is changing everything over to all snow. And this is what we're going to be seeing through the morning. Even over in southeastern Massachusetts, I think you're going to be seeing the rain flip over to snow, but notice the temperatures a little milder out there. Probably not looking at much in the way of accumulation at all. Maybe a coating in spots. 31 in Gloucester, 32 in Smithfield. We've got 32 in Coventry, 33 Charlestown, Newport at 33 degrees. Take a look at this massive storm system. It's shaped like a comma. You can see it right in through here. This is a sign of a well-developed storm system. And you can see the southern part of it right here, the southwestern part of the storm, what we call the comma head, is sweeping through the region right now. And the cold air, as I mentioned, in the upper levels, catching up with this precipitation, changing it over to snow. This is what I was talking about yesterday, the possibility of this happening. An additional inch or two of accumulation is certainly possible. Now, tomorrow, we're looking at more snow, believe it or not. Another potent little storm system will be passing on off to our south and east. This one could bring an additional 3 to 6 inches of snow beginning in the afternoon and continuing through the evening hours tomorrow. Your morning commute looks messy this morning. Slushy, icy, allow yourself extra time. Keep the speeds down. You could find the roads are fine, and then all of a sudden you come up to this icy, slushy patch and you could lose control. Trust me, I almost did it a couple of times today myself. 37 degrees on the east side of Providence for the afternoon, 35 Lincoln, 37 degrees in downtown Providence. Generally, we're looking at the mid to upper 30s across the region. And the other story, the winds today, they're going to be busy, 15, 25 miles an hour. So 37 Wickford, doing a little shopping, have to bundle up because it's going to feel like the 20s. 35 degrees in Woonsocket, 36 Johnston, southeastern Mass temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 30s over here. Here's your 7-day Futurecast. We're going to take a closer look at Saturday now. We are expecting a general 3 to 6 inches region-wide. Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts, beginning in the afternoon and evening on Saturday. Dries out for Sunday and Monday. But look at the temperatures, only in the 20s, and maybe a little bit more snow showers expected for Tuesday. Remember, you can get the updated Futurecast at our website. That's at WPRI.com.